Welcome to the Pueblo Bonito Pacifica. This is a Towers Deluxe Ocean View room. So let's take a look. The room's open with this bracelet, which is also your room key. You just hit it. We're good. We got it. The rooms are all stocked with an espresso machine that they fill the coffees about every other day. The rooms also have, that's my assistant right here. The rooms also have a mini fridge with soft drinks, some Pacifico Light, some Modelo's, waters. Let's take a look at the bathroom. They give you robes, by the way. That's one of them. The showers are pretty cool. What would you call that? A car wash shower or something?
It's a rain shower.
Rain shower, okay. It's pretty good size. They give you some lotions, some conditioner, shampoo. You got a private area for the commode. I'm going to shut that. See that? Now let's go check out the main room. The rooms are a little smaller than I thought, but they're not like teeny. But you got king bed. Got about a 42-inch TV, something like that. And I think every room at this hotel has spectacular views of the ocean. So this is pretty much the view that you're going to get every day. Now again, this is a towers room. I don't know if other rooms are different, but we are like the last building towards the ocean. The only thing left of us over here is the restaurant. So we are like right by the ocean, which is cool. Now the one thing we noticed about the rooms, we did not think that there was ample storage space. Like there's no dressers to put anything in on either side. But you do have a little area here where you can put your luggage and maybe a few things. But we noticed the closets are kind of small, which is weird. This is pretty much it. You've got that area and a drawer for each one of you. So anyway, that's the room tour, Pueblo Bonito Pacifica.